Nice.
Nice.
That little thing pumps up tires?
This is Air Moto. I hate flat tires. No, well, hold on. I gotta get a whack. That's a flat tire. Air Moto, the #1. This is a flat tire. That's really cool. Oh, right. Oh, no. The tire's flat. Yep. Dang it. I hate flat tires. All right, I'm gonna head to town. Oh no, I am flat. Oh, good thing I got Air Moto. Air Moto, my go-to emergency air compressor.
You hold the power button, turn it on.
That's that. Done. Air Moto reached out to Glacier Automotive Specialties to show you their product, to introduce their smart air pump to you. They thought that our content fits their product. Let's see what they got. Couple features. It has LED digital display, auto shut off, so you can set your PSI and it'll just go right to it and shut off.
It's pretty cool.
Preset pressure.
I think you can also select if it's like a car tire or a basketball, and it will auto shut off to that product.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
So this is the model BP198. It's good for basketballs, motorcycles, mountain bikes, road bike, and cars.
Show me what's inside.
Oh, sorry. We've got some instructions. Reads you through all the good stuff. Tells you how to use everything. Got a carrying case.
Oh, nice.
Keep it safe.
Dude,
Yeah.
that's nice.
Looks like the charger cord and the accessory pieces.
The adapters.
The adapters, and it looks like the hose that hooks straight to the car tire, that hooks to the unit. That's cool.
So then you put your adapter pieces.
Yes. So it looks like you screw that adapter piece to that, and then you can hook others to it, possibly.
Yeah.
That's cool. So here is the main thing.
That little tiny thing is gonna pump it up.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's supposed to pump up my car tire. It's got a built-in light. It has a deflate button, so if you went a little over your intended pressure, you can let a little air out. Nice, pretty straightforward. And then, oh wow, so the air hose store is here.
Oh, nice. That's handy.
That is really cool.
That's cool. And then you just put it all in your little carrying case. You can even keep it in your glove box.
Yeah.
It's small.
Yeah.
This would be really good for like our teenage daughter.
And I like how very little tools it has. It seems pretty easy to hook up. So that'll probably that goes to there, and then that goes directly to the tire. Just like you don't even need any other pieces. This is perfect for the diaper bag. For like a mom with with kids that, I don't know.
She's taking them to the lake. She's gonna pump up their lake toys. Their inflatables.
The charger's really easy. It's USB to C right in the top. And then you plug that into charge.
And it lets you know how the charging's going with green light, yellow light, or red light.
Oh, cool.
So you know when it's ready.
Wonderful. I'm gonna go ahead and charge it up. We will do some demonstrations, put it to the test, and see how it stands up to real life. This is a flat basketball. So let's see if Air Moto can inflate the basketball. so that we can go shoot some hoops. Tucks right in my pocket, super easy to put in the adapter. You're gonna turn on the machine and it gives you pictures that lets you know which one you should be on. So we're going to select basketball and leave it on 8 and plug it in. Let's see how it does. Wow, and it says done. It flashed done. Alright, let's see if it bounces. Oh wow. I can go shoot some hoops. This is a flat tire. So that's not going to get us anywhere. AIRMOTO also says they can inflate a bicycle tire. So we've got a flat bicycle tire. Let's see if it can do it. So again, we're going to turn on the unit. It is selected on basketball. So let's go to bicycle, twist off, attach the hose. It is set to 35. I'm not sure what the PSI is for a bicycle tire, so I'm going to stop it when I feel right. So let's see if we can do it. Wow, it inflated it really, really good. I'm gonna leave it there until I know the actual amount, but that did the job. This is a flat tire.
Okay, got it. And then this to select
Yeah,
car.
yeah. And then you gotta connect it to the valve stem.
It's pretty easy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's at 4.5.
Oh, good. There's a little air left in it. 35 should be good enough to get us to a gas station. So let's see what it does. The center one time. Wow, AIRMOTO really saved us from being stuck today. From flat to aired up. I mean, look at that. Wow, AIRMOTO, all the great uses. Little unit you have there. Thank you for sending it over so I could demonstrate its use.
User friendliness, honestly. It's awesome.
So if you're looking for something to keep in your glove box, walk out to a flat tire, need it for a basketball, check the link in the description, find my discount code, and pick you one up today.